Question 1. Scenario-based topic: Group health insurance. Cobra Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act. John works for Nebraska-based company with 25 employees. After 5 years of employment, he resigns to start his own business. His employer informs him that he is eligible to continue his group health insurance under Cobra. John's monthly premium was previously $500, with the company paying $350 and John paying $150. What will John most likely need to pay each month if he elects Cobra coverage? A. $150. B. $500. C. $535. D. $350. Answer: C. $535. Explanation: under Cobra, employees who lose their job can continue their group health insurance coverage, but they must pay the entire premium themselves, including the portion previously paid by the employer. Additionally, the employer may charge an administrative fee of up to 2%, making the total cost 102% of the original premium. Calculation: the full premium is $500. Adding the 2% administrative fee makes it 500 kx equals 535. Therefore, John must pay $535 per month to continue his coverage. Incorrect options: A. $150. Incorrect. This was John's portion of the premium while employed, but he must now cover the entire premium plus fees. B. $500. Incorrect. This is the base premium, but it does not include the administrative fee. D. $350. Incorrect. This was the employer's portion, which John is now responsible for paying. Question 2. Topic: Individual health insurance. Exclusions and limitations. Which of the following scenarios is most likely to result in claim denial due to common exclusion in individual health insurance policies? A. An injury sustained while performing dangerous hobbies such as skydiving. B. Hospitalization for heart attack after the policyholder failed to disclose family history of heart disease. C. Routine wellness checkup covered under the policy's preventive care benefits. D. An accidental injury that occurred while the policyholder was on a vacation outside the United States. Answer A. An injury sustained while performing a dangerous hobby such as skydiving. Explanation: health insurance policies often contain exclusions for hazardous activities such as skydiving, scuba diving, or motorcycle racing. If the policyholder engages in such activities without purchasing additional coverage, or a rider for hazardous sports, that claim may be denied. Incorrect options: B. Incorrect. Pre-existing conditions or undisclosed family history may result in underwriting adjustments, but not immediate claim denial unless fraud is proven. C. Incorrect. Routine wellness checkups are typically covered under preventive care benefits. D. Incorrect. Most individual policies provide emergency coverage abroad, though non-emergency treatment may be excluded. Question 3. Topic: Medicare and Medicaid. Nebraska-specific Medicaid guidelines. Which of the following individuals is most likely to qualify for Nebraska Medicaid based on eligibility criteria? A. 45-year-old unemployed individual with no children and an income at 110% of the federal poverty level. B. 65-year-old individual with disability and income at 150% of the federal poverty level. C. Pregnant woman with an income at 200% of the federal poverty level. D. 30-year-old working individual with an employer-sponsored insurance plan and income at 400% of the federal poverty level. Answer: C. A pregnant woman with an income at 200% of the federal poverty level. Explanation: Nebraska Medicaid has expanded eligibility criteria to cover specific groups, including pregnant women, children, elderly individuals, and those with disabilities. Pregnant women are typically eligible if their income is up to 199% of the federal poverty level (FPL), and Nebraska allows a slight margin over this threshold. Incorrect options: They're incorrect. Nebraska's Medicaid expansion does cover childless adults, but the income threshold is typically 138% of the FPL, making this individual ineligible. B. Incorrect. Medicaid generally covers individuals with disabilities, but income limits apply and 150% of the FPL is too high for full Medicaid benefits. D. Incorrect. An individual with employer-sponsored insurance and high income level is unlikely to qualify for Medicaid. Question 4. Topic: Health insurance. Affordable Care Act cap subsidies. Under the Affordable Care Act, which of the following individuals may be eligible for subsidies to help pay for health insurance? A. Individuals with an income above 400% of the federal poverty level (FPL). B. Individuals with an income below the federal poverty level (FPL). C. Individuals who are ineligible for Medicaid. D. Individuals with employer-sponsored insurance. Answer: B. Individuals with an income below the federal poverty level. FPL. Explanation: individuals with an income between 100% and 400% of the FPL are eligible for subsidies under the account to help pay for health insurance premiums. Individuals below 100% of the FPL may also qualify for Medicaid in states that have expanded the program. Incorrect options: A. Above 400% FPL. Incorrect. Those above 400% of FPL are generally ineligible for subsidies. C. Ineligible for Medicaid. Incorrect. Medicaid is for low-income individuals. D. Employer-sponsored insurance. Incorrect. Employer insurance may disqualify individuals from receiving the cash subsidies. Question 5. Topic: Healthcare reform and legal requirements. Affordable Care Act account. Under the account, which of the following is considered an essential health benefit that must be included in all qualified health plans offered in Nebraska? A. Vision care for adults. B. Prescription drug coverage. C. Cosmetic surgery. D. Chiropractic services. Answer: B. Prescription drug coverage. Explanation: the account requires that all qualified health plans include essential health benefits, aids, which are 10 categories of coverage. Prescription drug coverage is one of these categories. Incorrect options: A. Vision care for adults. Incorrect. Vision care is typically only required for children, not adults, under the account. C. Cosmetic surgery. Incorrect. Cosmetic procedures are not covered as an essential health benefit. D. Chiropractic services. Incorrect. Chiropractic services may be included, but they are not mandated as an aid. Question 6. Topic: Insurance regulation. Unfair trade practices. Which of the following actions would be considered an unfair trade practice under Nebraska state insurance regulations? A. Offering client discount for bundling multiple policies. B. Providing accurate information about policy terms to potential client. C. Misrepresenting the benefits of policy to induce sale. D. Offering policy with guaranteed renewability provision. Answer: C. Misrepresenting the benefits of a policy to induce a sale. Explanation: under Nebraska's Unfair Trade Practices Act, misrepresentation is prohibited. Misleading client about policy benefits or terms is considered an unfair and deceptive act in the sale of insurance. Incorrect options: A. Offering discount for bundling. This is legal marketing strategy commonly used by insurers. B. Providing accurate information. This is standard ethical practice. D. Guaranteed renewability. This is policy provision that is often required by law for certain types of health insurance. Question 7. Topic: Medicare and Medicaid. Medicare Part D. Prescription drug coverage. Which of the following statements about Medicare Part D is true? A. It is mandatory for all Medicare beneficiaries to enroll in Part D. B. It covers 100% of prescription drug costs with no out-of-pocket expenses. C. It is offered through private insurance companies approved by Medicare. D. It automatically includes coverage for vision and dental care. Answer: C. It is offered through private insurance companies approved by Medicare. Explanation: Medicare Part D provides prescription drug coverage through private insurers that have contracts with Medicare. Beneficiaries must enroll voluntarily, and coverage varies depending on the chosen plan. Incorrect options: A. Mandatory enrollment. Incorrect. Part D enrollment is voluntary. B. 100% coverage. Incorrect. Beneficiaries are responsible for premiums, copayments, and deductibles. D. Vision and dental care. Incorrect. Medicare Part D covers prescription drugs only, not vision or dental services. Question 8. Topic: Legal and ethical considerations. Fiduciary responsibility. Which of the following best describes an insurance agent's fiduciary responsibility to their clients? A. The duty to act in the best interest of the insurance company at all times. B. The duty to prioritize personal sales commissions over client needs. C. The duty to provide clients with honest and accurate information about insurance products. D. The duty to ensure that all policies sold are non-cancelable. Answer: C. The duty to provide clients with honest and accurate information about insurance products. Explanation: an insurance agent's fiduciary responsibility requires them to act in the best interest of their clients by providing honest and transparent information and recommending products that meet their clients' needs. Incorrect options: A. Acting in the company's best interest. Incorrect. An agent must prioritize the client's interests. B. Prioritizing commissions. Incorrect. This would be unethical and breach of fiduciary duty. D. Non-cancelable policies. Incorrect. While non-cancelable policies exist, they are not requirement for fiduciary responsibility. Question 9. Topic: Policy provisions. causes, and riders. Waiver of premium. Which of the following best describes the waiver of premium rider in health insurance policy? A. It allows the insured to skip premium payments during specified grace period. B. It cancels the policy if premiums are not paid on time. C. It waives future premium payments if the insured becomes totally disabled. D. It provides additional coverage for accidental death. Answer: C. It waives future premium payments if the insured becomes totally disabled. Explanation: the waiver of premium rider allows policyholders to stop paying premiums if they become totally disabled, ensuring that coverage continues during their disability period. Incorrect options: A. Grace period. Incorrect. This refers to a policy provision allowing late payments, not a rider. B. Policy cancellation. Incorrect. Policies typically have a grace period before cancellation. D. Accidental death coverage. Incorrect. This would be covered by an accidental death benefit rider, not a waiver of premium. Question 10. Topic: Nebraska-specific health insurance laws. State-mandated benefits. Which of the following is Nebraska's state-mandated benefit that health insurance policies must include? A. Coverage for acupuncture services. B. Coverage for maternity care. C. Coverage for cosmetic surgery. D. Coverage for gym memberships. Answer: B. Coverage for maternity care. Explanation: Nebraska law requires health insurance policies to provide maternity care coverage, including prenatal and postnatal services. Incorrect options: A. Acupuncture. Incorrect. This is not a mandated benefit in Nebraska. C. Cosmetic surgery. Incorrect. This is generally excluded unless medically necessary. D. Gym memberships. Incorrect. This is a wellness perk, not a mandated benefit. Question 11. Topic: Health insurance. Coordination of benefits (COB) in situation where person is covered by two health insurance policies. Which of the following rules applies under the coordination of benefits (COB) provision? A. The policy with the highest premium pays first. B. The policy covering the individual for the longest period of time pays first. C. The policy with the oldest effective date pays first. D. The policy of the parent whose birthday falls earlier in the calendar year pays first for children. Answer: D. The policy of the parent whose birthday falls earlier in the calendar year pays first for children. Explanation: in the case of children covered under both parents' policies, the birthday rule is used for determining primary coverage. The policyholder whose birthday comes first in the calendar year is considered the primary insurer. Incorrect options: A. Highest premium. Incorrect. Premiums do not determine primary coverage. B. Longest period of coverage. Incorrect. The length of time does not affect COB. See oldest effective date. Incorrect. The birthday rule is used for children, not the effective date. Question 12. Topic: Disability insurance. Definition of total disability. Which of the following best defines total disability under most individual disability income policies in Nebraska? A. The inability to work in any occupation, regardless of pay. B. The inability to perform the duties of one's own occupation. C. The inability to perform any job duties, even if part-time. D. The inability to perform only physical job duties. Answer: B. The inability to perform the duties of one's own occupation. Explanation: in most individual disability policies, total disability is defined as the inability to perform the essential duties of one's own occupation. This may include working in the same industry, but not necessarily the same job. Incorrect options: A. Any occupation. Incorrect. Own occupation is more common in policies. C. Any job duties. Incorrect. This definition is broader than typical disability policies. D. Only physical duties. Incorrect. Total disability applies to all job duties, not just physical ones. Question 13. Topic: Health insurance. Pre-existing conditions. Which of the following statements is true regarding pre-existing conditions under the Affordable Care Act account in Nebraska? A. Insurers are allowed to exclude coverage for pre-existing conditions indefinitely. B. Insurers cannot deny coverage for pre-existing conditions, but they can increase premiums. C. Insurers must cover pre-existing conditions without imposing exclusions or waiting periods. D. Insurers can refuse to cover pre-existing conditions for up to 2 years. Answer: C. Insurers must cover pre-existing conditions without imposing exclusions or waiting periods. Explanation: under the account, insurers are prohibited from denying coverage or imposing waiting periods for pre-existing conditions. This applies to all individual and group health plans. Incorrect options: A. Exclusion. Incorrect. CAP prohibits excluding pre-existing conditions. B. Premium increases. Incorrect. Pre-existing conditions cannot be used to increase premiums. D. 2 years exclusion. Incorrect. There is no such time limit under the ACA for pre-existing conditions. Question 14 topic. Long-term care insurance. Eligibility for benefits. Which of the following is typically not requirement for eligibility for long-term care benefits under most policies in Nebraska? The insured must be unable to perform at least 2 activities of daily living adults. B. The insured must be under the age of 65. C. The insured must have physician's certification of medical condition. D. The insured must require skilled nursing care or custodial care. Answer B. The insured must be under the age of 65. Explanation. Long-term care insurance does not have an age requirement. Eligibility is based on the insured's inability to perform adults or needing custodial or skilled care regardless of age. Incorrect options. A. Adults. Correct. Most policies require the insured to be unable to perform at least 2 adults. C. Physician's certification. Correct. Doctor's statement is typically needed. D. Skilled or custodial care. Correct. This is the condition under which long-term care benefits are provided. Question 15 topic. Health insurance. Mental health and substance abuse coverage. Which of the following statements is false regarding mental health and substance abuse coverage under the ACA in Nebraska? Health plans must cover mental health and substance abuse treatment as essential health benefits. B. Plans can impose higher copays and deductibles for mental health services compared to other medical services. C. Mental health services must be covered at the same level as other medical treatments. D. Insurers cannot limit the number of inpatient days for mental health treatment. Answer B. Plans can impose higher copays and deductibles for mental health services compared to other medical services. Explanation. Under the ACA's Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act, health plans must cover mental health and substance abuse treatment at the same level as other medical treatments. This includes copays, deductibles, and treatment limitations. Incorrect options. A. Essential benefits. Correct. Mental health and substance abuse are considered essential benefits. C. Same level of coverage. Correct. Coverage must be at the same level as other medical benefits. D. No limitations. Correct. There are no limits on inpatient days for mental health treatment. Question 16 topic. Health insurance. Special enrollment periods. Which of the following life events qualifies person for special enrollment period, SEP, for health insurance in Nebraska? A. Person turns 30. B. Person loses eligibility for Medicaid or CHIP. C. Person changes their job and gains new health insurance. D. Person moves to new home within the same city. Answer B. A person loses eligibility for Medicaid or CHIP. Explanation. Loss of eligibility for Medicaid or CHIP Children's Health Insurance Program triggers special enrollment period under the ACA, allowing individuals to sign up for health insurance outside the normal open enrollment period. Incorrect options. A. Turns 30. Incorrect. Age does not trigger SEP. C. Changes jobs. Incorrect. Job changes don't trigger SEP unless they involve loss of coverage. D. Moves within the city. Incorrect. Moving to new city or state is qualifying event, not moving within the same city. Question 17 topic. Health insurance. Catastrophic health insurance plans. Which of the following is key feature of catastrophic health insurance plans under the ACA? A. They have low monthly premiums and low deductibles. B. They provide limited coverage for essential health benefits. C. They cover all health services, including preventive care, at no cost. D. They are available only to individuals under the age of 30 or those with hardship or affordability exemption. Answer D. They are available only to individuals under the age of 30 or those with the hardship or affordability exemption. Explanation. Catastrophic health insurance plans are designed for individuals who are under 30 years old or who qualify for a hardship or affordability exemption. These plans have low premiums but high deductibles and are intended to cover major health events. Incorrect options. A. Low premiums, low deductibles. Incorrect. Catastrophic plans have low premiums but high deductibles. B. Limited coverage. Incorrect. These plans cover essential health benefits after the deductible is met. C. Preventive care at no cost. Incorrect. Preventive care is covered at no cost before the deductible, but not all services. Question 18 topic. Life insurance. Universal life insurance. Which of the following is feature of universal life insurance? A. It offers fixed premiums and fixed death benefits. B. It allows policyholders to adjust premiums and death benefits within certain limits. C. It does not accumulate any cash value. D. It is typically less expensive than term life insurance. Answer B. It allows policyholders to adjust premiums and death benefits within certain limits. Explanation: universal life insurance is a flexible policy allows policyholders to adjust both the premiums and death benefits within certain limits. This flexibility allows it to better match the policyholder's changing needs. Incorrect options: A. Fixed premiums and death benefits. Incorrect. Universal life allows for flexibility. C. No cash value. Incorrect. Universal life insurance accumulates cash value. D. Less expensive. Incorrect. Universal life is often more expensive than term life insurance. Question 19 topic: Group health insurance. COBRA. Under COBRA, which of the following would not be qualifying event that allows an individual to continue their group health insurance coverage? A. The employee's termination for any reason except gross misconduct. B. The employee's reduction in hours that makes them ineligible for group health insurance. C. The employee's death. D. The employee's voluntary resignation from the employer. Answer: D. The employee's voluntary resignation from the employer. Explanation: under COBRA, voluntary resignation does not trigger continuation of coverage. However, termination except for gross misconduct, reduction in hours, and death are qualifying events for coverage continuation. Incorrect options: A. Termination. Correct. This is qualifying event. B. Reduction in hours. Correct. This also qualifies for COBRA continuation. C. Death. Correct. Death triggers qualifying event under COBRA. Question 20 topic: Insurance fraud. Penalties for fraudulent claims. Which of the following is the penalty for committing insurance fraud in Nebraska? A. Fine of up to $50. B. Jail sentence of up to 5 years. C. Fine of up to $10,000 and or up to 3 years in prison. D. Permanent ban from purchasing any insurance products. Answer: C. A fine of up to $10,000 and or up to 3 years in prison. Explanation: insurance fraud in Nebraska carries significant penalties, including a fine of up to $10,000 and or up to 3 years in prison for individuals convicted of committing fraud. Incorrect options: A. $50 fine. Incorrect. The penalty for fraud is much more severe. B. 5 years in jail. Incorrect. The maximum sentence is 3 years. D. Ban on purchasing insurance. Incorrect. Fraud penalties do not involve a ban on future insurance purchases. Question 21 topic: Health insurance. Essential health benefits. Which of the following is not considered an essential health benefit under the Affordable Care Act to care in Nebraska? A. Maternity and newborn care. B. Prescription drugs. C. Cosmetic surgery. D. Mental health and substance use disorder services. Answer: C. Cosmetic surgery. Explanation: the ACAN defines essential health benefits as the categories of care that must be covered by all qualified health plans, including maternity, newborn care, prescription drugs, and mental health services. Cosmetic surgery is not considered essential and is typically excluded unless medically necessary. Incorrect options: A. Maternity care. Correct. This is an essential health benefit under the ACAN. B. Prescription drugs. Correct. Prescription drugs are considered essential benefits. D. Mental health. Correct. Mental health and substance use disorder services are essential. Question 22 topic: Long-term care insurance. Elimination period. What is the elimination period in long-term care insurance policy? A. The period during which the insurer pays no benefits. B. The time it takes to process claim. C. The period before the policyholder becomes eligible for benefits. D. The waiting period before premiums increase. Answer: C. The period before the policyholder becomes eligible for benefits. Explanation: the elimination period is similar to a deductible. It's the time period that the policyholder must wait before benefits from the policy begin. This could range from 30 to 90 days depending on the policy. Incorrect options: A. No benefits paid. Incorrect. Benefits are paid once the elimination period is over. B. Processing time. Incorrect. The elimination period is not related to claim processing time. D. Premium increase. Incorrect. The elimination period does not affect premiums. Question 23 topic: Health insurance. Health savings account. HSA. Which of the following statements is true regarding health savings accounts? HSAS in Nebraska. A. HSA funds can be used only for medical expenses during retirement. B. HSA contributions are taxable income to the account holder. C. Unused HSA funds roll over from year to year and can be invested. D. Contributions to an HSA are not tax deductible. Answer C. Unused HSA funds roll over from year to year and can be invested. Explanation. HSAs allow individuals to set aside pre-tax funds for medical expenses, and unused funds roll over year to year. The funds can also be invested in certain financial products. Incorrect options A. Medical expenses during retirement only. Incorrect. HSA funds can be used for qualified medical expenses at any time, not just in retirement. B. Taxable contributions. Incorrect. Contributions to an HSA are tax deductible. D. No tax deduction. Incorrect. Contributions to an HSA are tax deductible. Question 24. Topic: Life insurance. Term life insurance. Which of the following is true about term life insurance? A. It provides lifetime coverage as long as premiums are paid. B. It has cash value accumulation feature. C. It only provides coverage for specified period of time. D. It is the most expensive type of life insurance. Answer C. It only provides coverage for a specified period of time. Explanation. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific term such as 10, 20, or 30 years. It does not build cash value, and once the term expires, the coverage ends. Incorrect options A. Lifetime coverage. Incorrect. Term life does not provide lifetime coverage. B. Cash value. Incorrect. Term life does not accumulate cash value. D. Expensive. Incorrect. Term life is generally more affordable than permanent life insurance. Question 25. Topic: Health insurance. Out-of-pocket maximum. What does the out-of-pocket maximum represent in health insurance policy in Nebraska? A. The maximum amount person will have to pay for health care services in year. B. The maximum cost of premiums an individual can pay for health insurance. C. The amount of deductible the insured must pay before insurance coverage starts. D. The maximum amount an insurance company will pay for health care services in year. Answer A. The maximum amount a person will have to pay for health care services in a year. Explanation. The out-of-pocket maximum is the highest amount a person would have to pay for covered services in a year. Once this amount is reached, the insurance company will cover 100% of additional covered expenses. Incorrect options. B. Premiums. Incorrect. The out-of-pocket maximum does not relate to premium payments. C. Deductible. Incorrect. The deductible is a separate cost and is part of the out-of-pocket maximum. D. Insurance company's limit. Incorrect. The out-of-pocket maximum applies to the insured, not the insurer. Question 26. Topic: Disability insurance. Benefit period. Which of the following statements accurately defines the benefit period in disability income insurance policy? A. The period during which the insured must wait before becoming eligible for benefits. B. The period during which the insured will receive benefits after the elimination period. C. The period after which premiums are reduced. D. The period during which the insured may change the policy coverage. Answer B. The period during which the insured will receive benefits after the elimination period. Explanation. The benefit period refers to the length of time that benefits will be paid to the insured once the elimination period has been satisfied. Incorrect options A. Waiting period. Incorrect. The waiting period is the elimination period, not the benefit period. C. Premium reduction. Incorrect. The benefit period does not affect premiums. D. Policy changes. Incorrect. The benefit period does not affect the insured's ability to modify coverage. Question 27. Topic: Health insurance. Medicaid eligibility. Which of the following individuals would not be eligible for Medicaid in Nebraska? A. Pregnant woman with an income below the federal poverty level. B. Child under the age of 18 from low-income family. C. Single adult without children who earns above the federal poverty level. D. Disabled individual who is unable to work. Answer C. A single adult without children who earns above the federal poverty level. Explanation. In Nebraska, Medicaid is available to low-income individuals. However, single adults without children who earn above the federal poverty level do not qualify for Medicaid under the expansion guidelines. Incorrect options A. Pregnant women. Correct. Pregnant women with low income can qualify for Medicaid. B. Low-income children. Correct. Children in low-income families are eligible for Medicaid. D. Disabled individuals. Correct. Disabled individuals may qualify for Medicaid regardless of income. Question 28. Topic: Health insurance. Premium rates. Which of the following factors does not typically affect the premium rates for health insurance in Nebraska? Age. B. Gender. C. Tobacco use. D. Health status. Answer: D. Health status. Explanation: under the account, health status cannot be used to determine premium rates for health insurance. Premiums can vary based on age, gender, and tobacco use, but pre-existing conditions or overall health are not factors. Incorrect options: A. Age. Correct. Premiums generally increase with age. B. Gender. Correct. Gender can influence premium rates in some plans. C. Tobacco use. Correct. Tobacco use is a factor in premium rate determination. Question 29. Topic: Life insurance. Whole life insurance. Which of the following is distinct characteristic of whole life insurance compared to term life insurance? A. It offers coverage for limited time period. B. It provides death benefit but does not accumulate cash value. C. It accumulates cash value over time. D. It is the least expensive type of life insurance. Answer: C. It accumulates cash value over time. Explanation: whole life insurance provides permanent coverage and builds cash value over time. This cash value can be borrowed against or used to pay premiums. Incorrect options: A. Limited coverage. Incorrect. Whole life offers permanent coverage, not limited coverage. B. No cash value. Incorrect. Whole life does accumulate cash value. D. Least expensive. Incorrect. Whole life is typically more expensive than term life insurance due to the cash value component. Question 30. Topic: Health insurance. Preventive care. Which of the following types of care must be covered at no cost under the ACAS preventive care mandate in Nebraska? Elective cosmetic surgery. B. Annual flu shots. C. Non-emergency dental procedures. D. Vision correction surgery. Answer: B. Annual flu shots. Explanation: under the ACAT preventive care, services such as annual flu shots and other recommended vaccines must be covered by health insurance at no cost to the insured. Incorrect options: A. Cosmetic surgery. Incorrect. Cosmetic surgery is not a preventive care service. C. Dental procedures. Incorrect. Dental procedures are generally not covered under preventive care. D. Vision correction surgery. Incorrect. Vision correction surgeries such as LASIK are generally not covered as part of preventive care.